Do you dream of visiting France but don't know where to start? With its iconic landmarks, rich history, and world-renowned cuisine, France is a must-visit destination. However, to make the most of your trip without unnecessary stress, proper planning is essential. France Without Mistakes, your complete travel guide, is the ultimate resource for exploring France safely, affordably, and with unforgettable experiences. This ebook provides detailed information and practical tips to help you avoid common tourist pitfalls and enjoy every moment of your journey. Discover the best destinations, from the romance of Paris and the vineyards of Bordeaux to the stunning castles of the Loire Valley and the glamorous French Riviera. Learn how to navigate transportation, choose the best accommodations, experience authentic French cuisine, and uncover hidden gems beyond the typical tourist spots. Plus, get insights on cultural etiquette, essential travel documents, and the best time to visit. Imagine strolling through the charming streets of Montmartre, savoring fresh croissants at a local cafe, and exploring breathtaking landscapes, all with confidence and without unexpected hassles. With this guide, you'll have everything you need to make your trip to France smooth and unforgettable. If you're ready to plan your perfect French adventure, get your copy of France Without Mistakes, your complete travel guide, today. Start preparing for a seamless and exciting journey.